Nuzen Company, founded in 2013, is the earliest enterprise engaged in R&D and production of saw chains in China. It's also a pioneer which broke overseas monopoly. After years of hard work, now the company owns a plant of over 30,000 square meters. It has built a full automation production line of annual output of 30 million saw chains and 10 million guide bars, tamping a solid foundation for creating the world's largest and most powerful production base of saw chains, guide bars, in order to develop more competitive, high-quality products worldwide. The company continuously introduces the world's top molding technologies and machinery equipments. The US-imported high-precision progressive die ensures smooth and beautiful appearance. Stable structure, high precision of the cutter, tie strap, drive link, guide bar, sprocket rim, which produced by a high-speed gantry punch press machine. The US-imported super high-speed cold heading machine can not only make saw chain rivets quickly and efficiently, but also eliminate deform when handling high-hardness alloyed steel materials. Its fully in-place extrusion achieves a precision of 99.9%. When faced with a complex work environment, it greatly reduces the risks of stretching and breaking of saw chain and wearing of guide bar. The original German alloy steel, after being treated with deep quenching by the Japan-imported large multi-step mesh belt salt bath heat treatment line, greatly improves hardness and toughness of saw chain and guide bar parts, as well as sharpness and durability of the products. The US-imported ultra-high-speed high-frequency quenching machine, when doing quenching processing to tiny saw chain rivets, can automatically identify, detect, discharge and eliminate defective products, effectively enhancing quality stability of finished batch saw chain and guide bar products. The US-imported full automation intelligent grinding machine can quickly and accurately perform sharpening to saw chain teeth, not only stabilizing radian of chisel edge, but also effectively protecting original coating and molecular structure of the alloy, and hence truly improving cutting efficiency. The US-imported full automation assembly line has broken the restrictions of outdated manual assembly, greatly improving stability and consistency for assembly of saw chain and guide bar. The company practically grasps market demand, constantly improves and develops various magnificent cutting artifacts. It has established a mature and stable sales network with dealers in over 70 countries. Our products cover a wide range of household, industrial and professional sectors. Nuzen People regard quality as the mission, regard innovation as the cornerstone, regard craftsmanship as the soul, continuously striving to ensure our worldwide users of saw chain and guide bar with safety, efficient and relaxing experience.